will use in conditions. We generally use in conditions. I will give you some programs and some sums related to this one. Let me go and understand. Right click, new class file. I am taking the new class file. My class file is logical operators. Logical operators. Click on finish. It is created. Now I need a main method. Next I need some variables like int a comma b comma c. I take some variables. I assign some values like a equals to 22 comma b equals to 33 comma, sorry, don't put comma here, b equals to 45, c equals to 22. Let me work on some logical operators. I am going for use ISO. Enter. So I am writing two conditions here. A less than b. End operator I am using logical end, and a is equals to b. What is the output of this particular statement? And I'm also working on this one. A less than b, a not equals to b. If I write like this, what is the output? Sorry, a not equals to c. I can, here also I will put c. Next I will write a greater than b and a is equals to b. What is the output? Next we will write a not equals to b, a not equals to b, or a is equals to b. Okay, please tell me what is the answers for this. This is a logical AND, this is a logical AND. Here 3 times I applied logical AND. What is the output of this particular logical operator? True, false, false, false. Okay, true, false, false, false. Okay, let me see. First is a less than b is one thing. A is less than b, right answer here. And a is equals to c. That means a is 22 and c is also 22. It is true, true. True and true becomes true. True and true becomes true. The output is true. Next statement. A less than b. A is 22 is less than 45. Right answer. True. A not equals to c. 22 is not equals to 22. No, it is false. True and false becomes false. True and false becomes false. Next, a greater than b, that means 22 is greater than 45. Wrong answer, false. And a is equals to b, it is also wrong. False and false becomes false. Next, a not equals to b and a is equals to b. A not equals to b means a is 22 and b is 45. 22 is not equals to 45 is true. 22 is equals to 22 is right. So any one of the condition is true, it becomes true. So it is wrong actually. A not equals to b, it is true. It is false. But true and false, true or false becomes true, because we use the logical OR here. This is the pipe symbol, logical OR. So we will get true, false, false, true is the output. Let me save and execute the program. Right click, run as Java application, we will get true, false, false, true. True, false, false. Okay. This is the thing. Okay. Anyone is making some mistake, please see here whether it is true or false. You know the truth tables for AND, logical OR. Similarly, if I write something like syso, control shift, if I write not A, what is the answer? Not A. Okay. Not A here. It gives an error. Yes, it is giving an error. It will be working language. Not A less than B. Still it is giving. Logical not is not working. How it is going to work? A less than B. I will put not in front of this. Then what is the output? A less than B. A is 22 and B is 45. 22 is less than 45. It is right, true. But we put not. So it becomes false. It becomes false. It is true only, but we put logical not here. So it becomes false. Save it. Run the program. You will understand. Run as Java application. You will definitely get a false because we applied not A less than B. Not A less than B. Okay. So this is regarding some logical operators. Please try to practice all the logical operators. We will apply in conditions actually. Generally we are applying in the conditions. So if you write this type of logics, you will understand. And next concept is we understand maximum. Similarly, you can also work on bitwise operators, bitwise and bitwise or, bitwise not, XOR. Like this, you can also understand some program related to that. Till now, I have explained the unary operators and binary operators such as arithmetic operators, arithmetic assignment operators, equals to and comparison, and relational operators, logical operators programs.